So let's see some of the interesting string manipulation functions. And we know like we already have a string b, and this is how it looks like. So let's say I want to slice this string, and this particular technique of slicing the string actually means that I want to retrieve some of the elements of the string. I want to find out some of the subparts of the string actually without writing any regular expression. So I can do that. So I can say b, and I can specify the starting index, I can specify the ending index, or I can specify the offset. So first of all, I will talk about the offset. So I can say I'm interested to retrieve a specific offset of string. So let's say I specify 3, and like it starts from 0 0 1 2 3, so it will show you s, right? So you can also say that I want to retrieve from index 0 to index 4. So last index, ending index is not included. So that means it will include 0, it will include 1, it will include 2, it will include 3, but it will not include 4. So that means these are 4. So when I execute it, then I got this. So you can see last one is never included. You can play more with this, but I want to explicitly highlight this thing. Like this is how Python actually works. So you can actually work with many other functions related to Python, and these functions you can use for maybe replacing one string with another one. So you can say that I want to replace b dot replace, and I want to replace, let's say this is, instead of another, I want to pass a, this is a, right? So when I do that and I run it, so it is able to replace another with a, right? So there are so many other functions. So I hope you got the idea. There are many other functions, like you can find out, like if this string starts with tab, will be very helpful option if you don't remember the exact syntax, because sometimes you see that like the actual name you don't remember or you are not able to recall. So no need to worry, you can just press tab after putting like couple of correct, like start in sta tab, and then it will auto complete. And then you can have, let's say, starts with this, and then it should give me true. If I say maybe starts with the, then it will give me false, right? So you can try out multiple options, but I hope you got the idea, like why we use this particular functions, and how do we use these functions, and what all functions are available. Start exploring it more. So now I think I am in a position to move to complex data types in Python. I have some theory to cover before we actually look into the complex data types hands-on. So first let's go to the theory, and then after that I will come back to the notebook, and then I will start doing hands-on related to those Python data types, complex data types specifically. So I'll see you in the next lecture, wherein I will talk about the theory about various compound data types, and I will be comparing these compound data types.